I'm gonna change the cabin filter. Okay, so this and this. Best thing would be to pop this thing loose. Okay, this thing is popped. Now, next thing is this. It's going to drop. Okay, so you can just use your chair, your seat, to just keep it from falling. Actually remove this thing. Now there's your door. Okay. Okay. Still not so bad. A little bit of dirt. Okay. New one versus the old one. And you got right here, it's showing airflow. This is gonna be down like that. Okay. Like so. Right there. This stuff is gonna go like so. Okay, that's it. Now put the glove compartment back. Alright. Okay. So let's see. Alright. Now put this thing back right here. Just push it in place, your shock, and then these ones, just press them in from both sides. Okay. Now right here, these have to go in there in that slot. The same thing over here. Okay. And now you can reattach the shock. Now that's it.